kayo, madam. Narito po ang video.
Ma'am, sorry, last na po.
Sige pa.
Ma'am, may mga kumalat na video. The President asked you, I think when you were about to leave na po that time, na how was his performance from
Ano ang performance? Ano ang rating mo na ibibigay mo sa iyong tatay? VP Sara Duterte?
1 to 10? What was your
1 to 10 lang, ha?
Sabi niya, kumusta yung performance ko? And I said, best dramatic actor. Sabi niya,
Oh! Best dramatic actor! Naninibago talaga tayo kay Dating Balong Duterte, mga kababayan, ano? Yung wala yung mga mura niya ba? Kaya best dramatic actor, mga kababayan.
at the rating from 1 to 10, sabi ko, you're at 12.
Wow! Oh.
was really at work?
Lumampas at kisame, mga kababayan, ang rating ni Sara from 1 to 10, 12. Oh. Kami din. Oh, 99. Oh.
Oh, yes.
Bakit best dramatic actor?
Um,
Kasi, napilitan